Are you still using just makeup removal wipes to remove your matte lipsticks? Well, it's actually not at all good for your lips because they cause a lot of friction. They have alcohol in them, which further dries out your lips, and they also are very difficult to remove and they don't do a very good job. I would rather recommend that you use ALANNA's lip wash because this particular product is designed specifically for your lips and it cleanses your liquid matte lipsticks, which are extremely tough with only one swipe. I'm going to just do a quick demo for you so that you can see how. Now I'm cleaning my lips with this particular makeup wipe and I'll tell you how the experience is. So if you can see, it has definitely removed some of my lipstick, but I still have patches and it's also spread my lipstick around my mouth, which is causing a lot of irritation and dryness. It's also giving me a burning sensation because of the friction on my lips right now. I'll use this particular product and I'll show you how easy it is to actually cleanse it. Now, if you see, it's completely gone and my lipstick is particularly on these bristles, which are also very easy to clean. By the way, all you need to do is just rinse them under water. Now, this one product has actually been a lifesaver because it has avoided the friction that I caused on my lips, as well as it has kept my lips hydrated and it gently exfoliates any dead cells that are there on my lips. It's the best lip cleanser out there and try it out for yourself.